Good Tuesday, everyone. Seeing some of that snow continuing out there for us today from yesterday. We'll take a look at snowfall totals here in just a bit, let you know how much more to expect, and look ahead to a drier and even warmer 7-day forecast now that we're moving into the month of December. Hit a high temperature of 32 degrees yesterday, average is 30. Melting down the snow, and that put us at 0.43 inches of liquid precipitation yesterday, which puts November at 1.4 inches for precipitation, which is a bit above average. For the year, we're doing pretty much on par with our average. Record high for today is 59 degrees, set back in 1998, and 1 year ago, setting that record low temperature of 13 degrees below zero. Here are some of those snowfall totals from across the area. These coming in from the National Weather Service from what I was able to find. Mitchell coming in at just over 7 inches, anywhere in the Sioux Falls area from 6 to 8 inches of snowfall. Brookings reporting 7 inches of snow yesterday. Huron 5.4. A report out of Watertown of 5 inches of snowfall. Madison, Minnesota picking up 4.5. Sisseton 3 inches of snow. Aberdeen 2.9. And Lake Benton in Minnesota on Highway 14 picking up 9 inches of snowfall. So kind of a range of snowfall totals. And again, maybe another inch or two of snowfall accumulation a possibility. We'll look at that with Futurecast in just a second. But looking at your weather headlines, again, some light snow today. Then we enter that dry stretch. As I talked about, milder temperatures coming in here through the week. Winter storm warning does remain in effect until 6 o'clock this evening. Again, we could potentially see another 1, 2, maybe up to an isolated 3-inch total of snowfall in some areas. Here's the radar picture. You can see a little bit of a break right now after seeing some light snow through the early morning hours. Bigger picture across the upper Midwest, this area of low pressure spinning away. So some of these snow bands will continue to wrap back around as the storm system moves off to the north and to the east. So we'll keep the chance of snow in the forecast off and on here through today into tonight before some drier weather starts to move in, especially as we move through tomorrow and again through the rest of the week. So looking at things with Futurecast, low pressure center pushes out to the north and east, takes those snow bands with it. High pressure settles back in. Does turn a bit breezy, though, tonight into parts of tomorrow, so some blowing snow issues may be of concern. But because this is a little bit of that wetter snow, it shouldn't be terribly bad. And then we'll actually see a mostly to partly sunny sky right through the end of the week as we start melting some of that snow with milder temperatures starting to move in. So timing things out a bit closer here at home. Again, off and on scattered showers. Maybe a pocket of sleet across far western portions of Minnesota, but again, isolated snow showers into tonight. Then things start to taper off through the overnight hours. In fact, we'll see quieter, drier conditions, again, with a mix of sun and clouds here tomorrow. So again, maybe another inch or two, maybe close to 3 inches of snowfall, additional possibility in some spots. So certainly not as much snow as we had around the region yesterday. Looking at your forecast for today, we will see those high temperatures staying pretty steady in the low 30s with light to at times moderate snowfall, and again, a north-northwest wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, we keep the snow into the forecast as it starts to come to an end with the winds picking up, gusting maybe to 30 miles per hour. 7-day forecast, we'll call it partly cloudy here right through the end of the week with temperatures rising into the mid-30s here by Thursday into Friday and the weekend. So we'll be seeing some of that snow melting, and also as that snow melts, it means we'll see some clouds during the day and even some areas of patchy fog at night.